What is a cyber attack? A cyber attack is a malicious attempt to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system, network, or device. Cyber attacks can take various forms, including but not limited to 1. Malware attacks. Malicious software that can take control of a computer system, steal sensitive information, or cause damage to the system. 2. Phishing attacks. A technique used by cybercriminals to trick individuals into providing sensitive information such as login credentials, credit card information, or personal information. 3. Denial of service (DoS) attacks. An attempt to make a computer system or network unavailable to its intended users by overwhelming it with traffic from multiple sources. 4. Man-in-the-middle attacks. An attacker intercepts communications between two parties and can eavesdrop, modify or inject data into the communication. 5. Ransomware attacks. A type of malware that encrypts the victim's files or systems, rendering them inaccessible until a ransom is paid. Cyber attacks can be launched by individuals, criminal organizations, or even nation-states, and can cause significant financial and reputational damage to businesses, organizations, and individuals. Thank you all of you. Subscribe the channel for more updates.